Did you know that 47% of Australians believe that they're the best barbecue cook out of all of their friends? I'm here to let you know a little secret on how to make the best barbecue pork fillet to prove you make the cut. First thing we're going to do with our marinade, we've got some beautiful extra virgin olive oil. So we're just going to give it a good drizzle. Just going to get some lemon juice. And because we're using a gas barbecue, we're going to get that flame grilled flavour, so we're just keeping it super simple. Got to season it well. Lots of salt and pepper. Got some crushed garlic. Just going to make sure that evenly coats our meat. Last but not least, cracked black pepper. It's already looking pretty good and we haven't even gone near the barbecue. Now I'm just going to get my hands in there, coat it nice and evenly so we've got flavour on every part of the meat. It's nicely coated in oil, seasoned well, and now it's time to get it on the grill. Pork is off the barbecue. While that's resting, it's time to make our tzatziki. So I'm using a sheep's yogurt, which is a little bit different, but I really love the flavour in this dish. So yogurt, and I've got here cucumber that I've grated and then squeezed to get all the excess moisture. So that's just so that our sauce doesn't end up too watery. That goes in. Then I'm going to add some garlic, some lemon juice for a little extra acidity. And I've got the zest in there as well. And some finely chopped mint. Beautiful flavours that are going to complement our barbecue pork. And all you need to do is mix that all together. Finish it off, just a little bit of seasoning. Cracked black pepper. Good pinch of salt. And we set that aside for when we're ready to build our Yiros. Get a nice sharp knife. It looks absolutely perfect and it smells beautiful. I've just got some wraps here that I've thrown on the barbecue just to warm through and get a little bit of char on the other side. I'm going to grab our beautiful sheep's yogurt tzatziki. Now I like to put this down the centre so that our pork has something to sit into. Next we're going to add our beautiful barbecued pork, and we've got some other goodies here that we're going to add to it. Made a little salsa here just using some capers, olives and some fresh parsley, a little bit of olive oil and seasoned it with salt and pepper. It's just going to complement all these delicious flavours. Good spoonful of that on top and a little bit of onion. I love finely sliced red onion. Just a little. Add some beautiful goat's cheese, just enough so that you get a little taste in every mouthful. I've got some roasted red peppers here. And then just some baby spinach for something green. All right, I'm going to wrap it up nice and tight. Secure it with a little napkin. If you cook these delicious Yiros on a gas barbecue, you'll be guaranteed the title of Best Barbecue Cook. The proof is in the pork.